Hi everyone. So we are Team Cyber Knights, and the project we have developed for this GraphE-Thon 2.0 is EkSath, and the motto of EkSath is Together we create change. So I am Aman Bani, and I have my teammates Priyanshu and Bharat. We are from Graphikara Hill University, Bhimtal, and the problem statement we worked upon the is open innovation track, and it's the project is basically on social good and civic tech. So, the problem statement we sought to identify is that many people in current days want to help, and some people want to help others, and some people wants to get help by others in this social world. But there is no such any platform where users can ask for help from another person or volunteer for some good causes in others. So this is where EkSath comes in between. EkSath is where we brings us together, the turning where we turn kindness into actions and loneliness into hope. Because we believe that real change begins when we stand as one. So, discussing more about the problem, we sort out in five sectors. Millions want to help, but they don't know how because they don't have any accurate and certain platforms. NGOs and social causes struggles need to be find the right volunteer platform. And for any disaster management in current world, there are gaps to get volunteers to be mobilizing to that accurate area and also some other reasons. So this is where EkSath comes in between. EkSath is a platform that connects people for making a social cause. This is an AI powered platform, a web based and mobile based that seamlessly connect people with meaningful opportunities using skill based matching, and it pairs volunteers with NGOs and causes that align with expertise, locations and passion, ensuring every efforts create a real impact. Here's a detailed solution description for us. This is AI-driven platform that uses AI algorithms to match volunteers with NGOs based on skills, interest, and locations. Second, a real-time mobilization app for disaster and emergency responses. Third, gamification and incentive drive for the participation to encourage volunteers to join for noble causes, and scalable and accessible for all NGOs of all sizes, and a unique ecosystem for social goods. For this, we have a technical approach where we have used Flutter and Firebase to develop this mobile application. And for ML part, we have used TensorFlow for matching of volunteers based on scale, location, and urgency. While we have also used Google Maps APIs to encourage more proximity responses, and also the push responses to alert volunteers about tasks, and in app chat and scheduling scene man coordination. We also tends to integrate gamification elements like badges, certifications, and impact to score enhancement engagement with optional blockchain verification for authenticity. And for the detailed description of the technical approach, we have front end in Flutter, back end in Firebase, all the things. AI matching system is basically in TensorFlow. Real-time update and communication is Firestore and cloud messaging. Location-based services, Google Maps API. So the real and social impact of EkSath is basically in four factors: social impact, economic impact, environmental, and targeted audience. EkSath bridges gap between social NGOs and people who need help through AI-driven matching platform to real-time assistance in real coordination. Second, it makes an economic impact that helps NGOs to get volunteers at no time. Also, it also makes an environmental impact, helps environment to keep more steady and more performing with the help of non-paid volunteers and also some for good causes. So we have also developed a prototype which looks similar to this. And the basic working of our prototype is this. It get volunteers, NGOs, and all the things like corporate and government bodies into a uh, web application where we store this in all other sections, and then we tends to integrate in one centralized database. So for this, we have also done some research work. Now that I'm showing to you is a prototype of our app.